everyone, my name is Rachel Thomas. I am editor at SME Media. I'm here today at the Manufacturing Technology Series Southwest in Dallas, Texas. And I'm here at the Badass Bandsaws booth. If you'd like to tell them who you are.
Good morning. My name is Richard Rose. I'm president of Badass Bandsaws, located in Houston, Texas.
Awesome. Thank you for being with us today. So if you could first share, any new products or services that you all are presenting.
Well, that will be a long story, right? All these products that are here today are all new products, right, for Badass Bandsaws. The most recent ones are large bandsaws that cut beams and solid bars.
Okay. Are there any new features, improvements, or customer benefits that you'd like to highlight?
Our new saws have patented technology for sound suppression. So on the large saws, when you cut, for instance, a 30-inch piece of Inconel, solid, the cut is so quiet you can stand next to it and have a conversation. No other machines have that. We have patented technology that creates that silence.
That's amazing. So, this being day 2 of the show, what are some, questions or concerns or just needs that customers are coming up to you with?
Well, the main one is, where have you been, right? So I've been in the bandsaw business since 1981, but I started this company because I bought some saws from a supplier and I hated them. I sent them back. So me being the guy that I am, I said I could do better. So I designed 40-inch bandsaws and sold those, and the customer loved them. So then I did a 60-inch bandsaw. Then I did another bandsaw. Now customers want me to do automatic bandsaws, which is our newest H13 here.
And so, how would you say, over time, how has the bandsaw industry changed since you started the business in the 80s?
The bandsaw, for us, the bandsaw business has really been the same. We build heavy-duty, robust machines. We do not build lightweight machines. We call those tinker toys. Ours are bandsaws, and they cut at high rates. Plus, we've improved the bandsaw by putting new technology into them, and we patented that technology that makes them cut quicker and quieter, which gives you better blade life.
Okay, yeah. And so, being at these shows, meeting with customers face to face, what would you say is the importance of doing that?
Well, you have to get yourself out in the marketplace.
Absolutely.
You have more people that get the word, the more people that spread the word, right? So this is the first show we've had with our new technology, and we're having a great show. People are impressed.
I love that. So, going into 2026, we're almost there, a couple months out. What are you looking forward to most with you and your business and just the industry overall?
The bandsaw business industry is still strong. People realize that you can't win a race with a 20-year-old race car. You need a new race car with all the new technology in it that makes you cut quicker and more efficient. And so people are still buying bandsaws. The other portion of that is we build very complicated handling systems, because the reason you have a bandsaw is to cut a piece of steel that's very big and long. So you need conveyors and transfer arms and stock arms, all types of conveyors to go with the saws. And we manufacture those too.
Yeah, awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time today. Appreciate it.
Well, thank you. All the best.